टिका करात वा न्हयकार दियात, पूण तुमचें मत पटोवन दिवपाच्या बाबतींत तुमी ठाम आसपाक जाय. तुमच्या कुसव्यांत सपनां आसतीत आनी तुमचे कडेन स्वताची नदर आसत जाल्यार तुमी आपसूक एके उंचायेर वतात. आयतार दिसा इफ्फीच्या मळार भासाभास करतना फामाद बायल दिग्दर्शक मेघना गुलजारान आपलो दिश्टिकोन स्पश्ट केलो. इफ्फीचे चवथे दिसा मुलाखती, चर्चा, बसका, कार्यशाळा अशी धांवपळ चालू आशिल्ली. इफ्फी खातीर हो बरोच लांबचो आनी कठीण असो प्रवास. भारतांत आमच्या सिनेमाचे 90 प्रिमियर शो जाले आनी तेवूय दर्जेदाराच्या सुवातांनी. मेघना सांगता. फिल्म मेकरा भितरले सगळ्यांत व्हडले क्वॉलिटी विशीं मेघना गुलजार सांगता, तुमचे कडेन पटोवन दिवपाची तांक आसपाक जाय. तुमी कितें करतात ते विशीं तुमचे कडेन आत्मविस्वास जाय. तुमचेर टिका जाली, न्हयकारले जाल्यार तें दिलदारपणान स्विकारपाची तयारी आसपाक जाय. तुमचे कडेन स्वताचो असो दिश्टिकोन आसल्यार सगळें कितें सोंपें जाता.
Having just made a film on a book, I can completely understand where you're coming from. And also my father is an author and I know, the premium of a writer's words are sacred. But like Pooja said, it's not only the director. There will be the cinematographer, there will be the production designer, there will be the costume designer, there will be the actors. They will all have their own interpretation, and please look at it as a painting where there will be different people adding different shades to it, and all that will emerge is one beautiful picture at the end.
Thank you.
Bravo, that's lovely.
There are 4 writers written with somebody. How is the process when sharing a creative space with somebody else? It could be interesting, fascinating. At the same time, is it also conflicting?
I love collaborative writing. I do. I find it extremely energizing. I find it much faster. I think I alone am a very, very lazy writer. And you keep waiting for that one start to come to you, which never comes when I'm writing alone. So for me, it's very exhilarating when I'm sitting with my co-writers and we just talk. And somehow for the last 3 or 4 films, our basic story's already been laid out because it's a true life incident. So we're just sitting and talking कि अच्छा अगर वो ऐसे करे तो, अगर उसने ऐसा बोला हो तो, so that verbal jamming, when that becomes words, we don't know. But that's just how it happens, and I really love that process. And then what we do is that once the first person will take a stab at it, take a start, pass it to the second, and then it'll come to me. Then I will circulate, so it keeps growing with every round that it takes, whether it's a scene, whether it's sequences. So, I mean, I love that process.
So also must be creative conflict, right?
Well, not conflict. There could be another point of view, let me put it that way. And if it is adding to the story, the script, the character, or the film, and it's making it better, we all just agree. Unless it's a complete departure from what, say, we've been thinking about for a majority of the time, then, we kind of take a vote on it. It's a democratic process. I mean, I thankfully, I've never had an opportunity where I have had to pull rank and say, no, but I'm the director and this is how it needs to be done.
लॅरिसा वाझाबरोबर पणजेच्यान आमचो व्हिडिओ पत्रकार अनिकेत नार्वेकार.